Hello guys, today I will show you how to set auto draft on Yahoo Fantasy Football. So, in order to do this, first of all, log into sports.yahoo.com. Now, after doing this, you'll have to simply click on the fantasy option just right here. Now simply choose your team or a game. For example, you can choose fantasy football. In my case, I'm choosing fantasy hockey, but you'll have to just choose fantasy football instead of fantasy hockey, and the process will be same. Now on this page, simply click on this small gear icon at the top right after My Teams and Leagues, and it will take you to this page. Now, on this page you will see the status of your team as auto pick already enabled. Now if you want to set auto draft on your Yahoo Fantasy Football, you'll have to just create a new team, click on get another team. Now choose auto pick just right here as the draft type. Now this will be the auto draft set when you choose auto pick. Click on join now and draft later, and your team's status will be set at that. So we'll scroll up, click on the settings icon, and as you can see, the auto pick is already enabled on both of these. So that is a simple way to set auto draft on Yahoo Fantasy Football. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.